Alright guys. Alright, enough of the pleasantries. Let's get right into it. Boom. Paint coat. Alright. Alright, I wasn't gonna forget it. The paint coat, we're gonna get right to it. 3 numbers. You know, mine is brilliant silver, so it's 744. And I know it told me how to get it, where to get it from, but all of them aren't the same. So you see, you got one telling you what the tire pressure should be and all that. This one, now this is the one up here. Now what happens is, some of them is blatantly out there for you. It's a 3-digit, boom, 3-digit under here, like somewhere. But on this one, CLK 1999, CLK 320, the cabriolet, it's right, booyah, right there. See that 744? It's not saying nothing, telling you nothing about it, but it's 744. Now it's always 3 numbers, so yours, and plus, you know, Mercedes got the different silver, different type of, so it's probably, so if yours is silver, it's probably 745 or something like that, or whatever your number is, you know. So make sure there we go, make sure it's clear. Some people don't even have their sticker still intact, but oh yeah, 744. So that's how you find your color code. Hopefully that was helpful, and if it was helpful, hit like. If it wasn't helpful, don't hit dislike this. No, it just wasn't helpful. Sign out. If it was helpful, hit like, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Jump on the notifications. You know what I'm saying? Jump in the comments, whatever you want to do. But I'm here to help. People be helping me, and just like with the taking the top down, I'm trying to help. Alright, y'all. I'm out.